Hello, good morning. My name is Harshvardhan Akhand. I am from CS department, final year from Acropolis Technology and Research. My topic from big data subject is Introduction to MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database with wide adoption. Reason to use MongoDB: flexible schema design, supports MapReduce and aggregation, uses JavaScript. MongoDB is suitable for various applications and is extensively used in real-time analytics and content management. Overview of MongoDB unique feature. The features are flexible data model, which means store data in JSON like documents, allowing varied data structure. Dynamic schema supports dynamic modification of schema without downtime. Add HOC queries enables real-time complex query for data analysis. Indexing provides efficient indexing for rapid data retrieval. Horizontal scalability scales seamless across multi-nodes of for large datasets. Use cases of MongoDB. MongoDB is widely utilized in content management system CMS, which we tell efficiently manages unstructured content. Real-time analytics supports real-time data analysis and reporting. E-commerce manages product catalogs, customer profiles, and transaction. Mobile applications like provide seamless data storage and synchronization. IoT application handle large volumes of diverse data from connected device. Basic concept of MongoDB is flexible data model, stored data in JSON like document, allowing varied data structure. Dynamic schema support dynamic modification of schema without downtime. Indexing provide efficient indexing for repeat data retrieval. Horizontal scalability scales seamlessly across multiple nodes for large dataset. Querying and aggregation. Querying Querying means in MongoDB supports rich queries allowing filtering, sorting, and field selection. Use operation like EQ, GT, $LT for precise data retrieval. Example db.collection.find, which finds the value. Aggregation. Aggregation pipeline process data document transforming and combining them. Stages like $match, $group, and $project refine results. Example db.collection.aggregate. Best practices. Schema design. It is used for schema design. Schema design based on queries and access patterns. Embrace denormalization for performance gains. Indexes. Index field frequently queried for efficient data retrieval. Avoid over indexing to prevent performance degradation. Shredding. Plain shredding strategies early for horizontal scalability. Choose a shredding key wisely to distribute data evenly. Hardware and deployment. Use SSDs for storage to enhance read-write performance. Deploy in replica set for data redundancy and fault tolerance. MongoDB in big data. MongoDB is widely used in big data, such as which are as follows: scalability. MongoDB handles large volumes of data, allowing seamless expansion as data grows. Flexibility. Its schema-free structure enables handling unstructured and semi-structured data effortlessly. Real-time processing. MongoDB processes data in real time, crucial for time-sensitive application and analytics. Geospatial capabilities. Ideal for location-based service. MongoDB supports geospatial index and queries. Aggregation framework. Offer a robust aggregation framework for complex data transformation and analytics. Integration. MongoDB integrates well with the popular big data tool like Hadoop and Spark, enhancing its analytical capabilities. Cloud deployment. MongoDB Atlas provides a hassle-free cloud-based deployment option, ensuring scalability, security, and availability. Customer support. A vibrant community offers support and resources for developers, facilitating problem solving, business, and intelligence. MongoDB BI connector enables seamless integration with business intelligence tool, enhancing analytic capabilities. Thank you. This is Harshvardhan from CS Final Year Department from Acropolis Institute and Technology Research.